Hello everyone, myself Karthika from first year CSE. My startup company is G3S. Product present name is Tiffin Box. Product proposed name is Thermal Tiffin Box. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Dishwasher safe, better insulation. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Tiffin Box, futuristic product name Thermal Tiffin Box. Ideate some of the additional features to be added are maintained here. Keeps food warm or cold for a hour. Has separate section for different food. Easy to carry, made from safe material. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewer of this presentation video to comment your option to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.